Hello, I'm in a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to sync up your phone with the Bluetooth. So first you want to start the vehicle, and then just wait a moment for everything to load. And there's a couple ways you could do it. There's like a voice chat command. You could go through the voice prompts to connect to a phone. Otherwise, once this all loads, there'll be an option here to hit phone. So say you're on something else at first, just click over to phone. We're going to connect one, so yes. Oops, I hit that button on accident, so yes. And then from your phone device, all phones are a little different, but typically you want that little symbol highlighted like it is here to open this up, pair new device. And then you're just going to look for Uconnect in this case. So we've got a Uconnect. Select that, and then it's going to try to match up some random digits on each just to make sure you're connecting to the correct vehicle. So yes, pair, and then here yes as well. And then at this point it's just a matter of waiting for a few moments, clicking through any other prompts your phone or here might have. So it said it was successful. No, it doesn't need to be favorite for this, but otherwise that was it. And then, like I mentioned, if your vehicle has some symbol that looks similar to that with this little guy talking, typically you can connect through those as well if you don't want to use these buttons for some reason. But anyways, I hope that was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.